Good morning students. So today we are going to start block 16 weather and climate. The LP1 we are going to discuss weather. The aim of the LP1 is identify the weather of a place using weather chart. The keywords which are included are atmosphere, wind, humidity. So before we start, take out your content book, volume 2, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Along with that, you also have to take your classwork student. Okay. So pause the video, take all these things fast. Hope you are ready students. So now what you have to do, open your classwork, draw this chart. Okay, you are seeing this table now. This table you have to draw exactly, and whatever I have written in the table you have to copy in your classwork. Pause the video and do it fast. Hope you have done student. So how was the weather yesterday student? When you went outside, right, when you went out of your home, then what did you feel? Whether you feel hot or you felt cold. Okay, so that one you have to tick here, right, you have to tick here. If you felt hot, tick to hot. If you felt cold, tick to cold. Understood? Then next one, was it windy yesterday? Was you feel wetness yesterday? Yes, if wetness means windy day, the wind, how means when the wind was blowing, when the air is coming towards you, whether you're feeling wetness, coolness, right? Yes, if it was there, then tick that like that. Then next, was the sun shining brightly in the sky? Have you seen sun brightly shining in the sky yesterday? Then you write sunny, means here. Second one, no means don't write. Okay, or else whether you have seen cloudy, means clouds everywhere. Have you seen cloudy day, or else you have seen sunny day? That one you have to tick. Understood? So this was the response you have to note down. Only your answers you have to write. Understood? So now see, this is the yesterday's weather report. Okay, you can see Thursday 26 November 2020. So the temperature, it was 26 degrees Celsius. What is here temperature meaning? Temperature means the degree of hotness or coldness, right? So means how was the temperature, how can I tell? Okay, degree of hotness, whether it is very hot, whether it is very cool. This we will measure in the temperature. Understood? So the degree of hotness and the coldness is called temperature. So it also have units students. How the kilometer, meter, these are the units of the length na. Same like that the temperature also have unit. So what is the unit of temperature? It is Celsius, right? In the Celsius or Fahrenheit we will measure the temperature. Okay, now wind means moving air is called wind. Then in which unit we will measure? In the kilometer we will measure. Okay, kilometer per hour. Then yesterday it was 23 kilometer per hour. Then cloud cover. Then yesterday you have seen, I think, that the sun is covered with the clouds. Okay, mostly the sun is covered with the clouds. Then humidity. So here what is humidity? The moisture means water vapor present in the air is called humidity. So when the wind is blowing, if you are feeling cool, means there the humidity is there. Okay, then we can see if it is a dry day means we can see that what you say, humidity is not there, right? The water vapor is not present in the wind. Then we will say it is a dry wind. Understood? So precipitation means rainfall, right? How much rainfall it has been. So yesterday does it rain ma? No, right? That's why 0.0 millimeter. Now here you can see 25th night, morning it was cloudy only, sun was not shining in the sky. In the afternoon you can see somewhat partly cloudy, means somewhat somewhat sun coming and going, like that it happened, right? Then same as it is in the evening also you can see the sun, means brightly sunny day was not there yesterday, right? So now we will compare with the today's. Here you can see morning, yes, it is cloudy only, temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. In the afternoon also partially cloudy, means sometimes we can see the sunlight, okay, sun in the sky. In the evening also same things happen, same like that, clouds are there, understood? So the wind, how much it is blowing, 17 kilometer per hour we can see. Today compared to yesterday, the cloud cover, how much the cloud cover in the sky, it is increased, right? Here you can say it is increased ma, okay. So this is the weather forecast of Gulbarga, right, or Kalburgi we can say. Now what you have to do means you have to open your this chart again. What you have recorded now you have to record the weather chart. Now tell me, according to weather chart of yesterday report, whether it is hot in the report, means weather report you can see, has it shown very hot? No, right? So here tick, cross mark. Whether it is sunny? No. Whether it is cold? Yes. Whether it is cloudy? Yes. Whether it is dry? No. Whether it is wet? Wetness is there. Coolness, cool air, it is cool wind is blowing? Yes. Whether it rainy? Does it rain ma? In the chart has it shown any rainy? No. So now already you have done this. Now both things you have to compare ma. Understood? So you have to compare here. If two cross marks were there, then you have to write right. Your comparison is right. Then if your answer is wrong and whatever the weather chart is right, then it is wrong. Understood? Like that you have to complete this activity. Then once again, so I am telling in from the starting, weather. So what is weather actually means? The weather is the condition, okay, it is a condition outside. How it is means, what is the condition outside or in the atmosphere, right? So example, when you went out of your home, now you will see around you, where you will see in the sky or you will see around you, whether you will feel hot, okay. When we will feel hot ma? When the sun is brightly shining in the sky and it is a dry wind is there, then we can say it is a hot sunny day, right? Sunny day means when the sun is present. Cold means when the cool wind is blowing, then we will say cold, it is a cold day. Then dry day means when the water vapors are not present in the wind, okay. Dry wind, harsh wind blow na, that is dry wind. Rainy day means you know very well, when the rain will fall, then that is the rainy day. When we will say cloudy day, now today we can say it is a cloudy day because the clouds are covering the sun. So these are the elements of weather, understood? So once again, what is weather? Weather is a condition outside at a particular place and time, understood? The weather may be different for different places at different time also. So now we can say now it is cloudy na, maybe after 2 hours or 3 hours maybe it is rainy day, understood? So we can't predict it. So that's why I am telling the time at a particular time and in particular place, the whatever the condition outside of in the atmosphere, we will call it as weather, understood? So and keep in the thing, what are the elements of the weather means hot, cold, sunny, dry, rainy, cloudy. So what is these elements? Again you are getting confusion means, example, if your mother is preparing a tea, so I will ask what are the elements that your mother will use to make the tea. So actually what does the tea consist of, right? So maybe so what are the elements? Sugar, tea powder, like that na. So same like that, weather also includes some of the elements. Those are hot, cold, sunny, dry, rainy, cloudy. Understood? Hope you are understood, student. So next, open your 8 page number in the volume 2, write today's date. So temperature, precipitation, humidity, wind, these all what are the meanings? Already it has been given here, just now I explained na. So just you have to look at this weather chart and write this answer. A question is, how hot cold is today? So what is today? Actually it is a Saturday, 28, right? So already it is here rectangular, like this box have been given. So that one you have to Saturday, on this Saturday in the Delhi you have to write. It is whether it is cold or hot, you have to write that. If it is cold, write cold. If it is hot, write hot. Then next, is it going to rain today? So here you can see some cloud is you can see on the sun it is appearing. So you can write, is it going to? Yes, because it's shown in the weather chart. Is the rain dry or wet? So if it is cloudy day means of course the rain may come. So is the day going to be too cloudy? Maybe, right or not? If it is cloudy means maybe it can, if rain will come means again it may be cloudy. Then next, your friend from a nearby town wants to visit you. What type of cloth will you ask her to wear? So any of your friend from the nearby, like from the Gulbarga to Sedam, that they want to come. So what type of cloth you will suggest them to wear? Right, like a sweater you will tell, or cotton clothes you will tell, right? Whether you will tell to bring umbrella. So what, like that you have to write here. So students, so here last question I want to ask you. See, listen carefully, okay? It is bright and sunny day, right? And slight wind is blowing, means slight breeze, okay? It is slight breeze. You are playing with your friends in the park, right? Maybe you are playing football, volleyball, cricket, anything in the park, right? Suddenly what happened? A thick clouds, okay, huge clouds cover the sky and it starts raining suddenly. So what will you do? Whether you will continue your playing, or whether you will leave that playing and you will, somewhere you will search any place to be safe yourself, right? What do you think about this? Of course you will look for a place to save yourself from getting wet, right? So change in the weather. So why I ask you means, change in the weather, it will change our activities also sometimes, understood? If right, if the weather not change, you would continually playing your play, but it rains, so that you stopped that playing and you went back to home, so you changed your activity na. So according to weather also sometimes what happen, we change our activities. Example, your mother, what they will do, or your father, if you want to go to a picnic, then you will see the weather, right or not? Whether it is a rainy day or somewhat, you will see, and then only you will go for a picnic. If whether your mother is washing so many clothes, then what she will see, whether it is bright shiny day or not. If the shiny day is there, then only she may wash the blankets, this all, right or not? You know these all things. If it is cloudy day means whether she washed these all things, no. So according to weather we will do our activities, we will change our activities also, right? So here we have completed our LP1. Now we will go to the LP2.